parents called me the other day and they're like, how y'all doing? I'm doing good. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good. How y'all doing? Okay. All right. So this first one is by far my favorite. If you didn't see the snack already on IG, T-Baby Love 2, I posted this being a little extra like avocado. And this is the view. It has, whoa. Nice little cut here, which I really love this material. It's super soft and thin, so it's not too, you know, hot for Hawaii. And then it has this slit right here that you have to be very careful with. And of course, the back. But how about this color? How about this lime green? I'm really feeling the lime green. Does it go? This is super cute for like a beach day. Just a cute little white shorts with the white crop top. But really comfortable material, almost like sort of like a really thin cotton. And I had to fold them a little bit because they're a little bit big, but you know, game's still looking nice. Yes, girl. You know, this is one of my favorites. We got some nice flare sleeves, style. These cute little biker shorts. Definitely strong. Right here. Honestly, this is super cute and really comfortable. Really thin material, so you know the flick gonna be on the gram. Alright, you guys, I had to switch up the hair right here. Why didn't y'all tell me it looked better with the updo? Man. Anyways, I look like a freak of nature with sweatpants on right now in Hawaii because I'm like, came through dripping, drip. Came through dripping, drip. It's really hot, but whew, it came with these sweats, so we're doing it for the gram, for the tube. And se slave Paris, sure, however you say that. I don't know, I'm Italian. I am not from Francais, but anyways, look how cute this is. I love crop tops, as you know, but this one's super soft. Y'all know how I love bandos. This is a really cute bandeau top that I was like, oh, I gotta have it. I'm busting out the bandeau a little bit right here, but besides that, really cute back. And these are actually just some shorts I already had from Shein that I decided to put on with these next few last tops because they didn't come with bottoms. So this is the bandeau, but I think it looks cute with these shorts. What you think? Busting out the bandeau back here too. And then I got another one that says Slave. Anyone out there that's from Francais or French, please tell me how to say it because I'm probably totally screwing it up. But I just think that these are so cute, and this one is even softer. Nice little cotton spaghetti crop top. Yes. These are really getting tight back here. We're back up, you guys. Caking back up. But I think that this like shorts are, these denim shorts will go with like all these tops. This is even like really cute to me too. I would totally just wear this to go to the store or whatever, you know. So freaking cute. Oh my god. I feel like a little Barbie doll in this one. But look at, oh my god. This is gonna be one of my new favorites, but I'm only able to wear it for me like once because you know, it's one of those shirts that you recognize, and I personally always like to switch it up. But super cute. Scrunchie in the back. Oh, I'm obsessed with it. Anyways, you guys, these were the few items I wanted to show you. A little summer sale going on, a little summer fashion. Even though we're coming into fall, I'm still saying summer because why? Can't you see I'm sweating? It's like still 95 degrees here in Hawaii. I know you might be at your other places around the world, but I am here and this is hot. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you appreciated this video because I am dying in this. No, I'm kidding. But all the items and the links will be down below so you guys can shop, and I love you all. Oh, by the way, Christmas is coming soon. So these are good gifts.